few years ago, I was visiting a friend when I noticed this yellow abuleton shrub, and I am in zone 9. I know that this is an evergreen shrub in zones 8 to 11. So I had to plant it because the best part of this shrub is that it blooms all year long. So I took some cuttings from it. By the time I got back home, 5 to 6 hours had already passed and the cuttings were all wilted. But in any case, I made smaller cuttings from it, 5 to 6 inches long, and planted them in a couple of containers. And by the way, if you want to see the details of that, how I planted those cuttings, you can watch the video. I have put the link in the description. I planted a few cuttings in a couple of containers and covered the containers with a plastic bag loosely, kept it indoors because this was winter time. And within a few weeks, I started to see some fresh growth. By the time spring arrived, both the containers had good growth. Since each container had 2 cuttings growing really well, I wanted to separate them out so that they could get enough space in the summer. So I separated them out, and again, now it was springtime, so I left them outdoors in partial sun. As summer arrived, they started to produce buds and flowers. It was amazing that in January end, I planted the cuttings, and by July, they were producing flowers. In the next spring, I planted a couple of those in the ground because I wanted to grow them like the original shrub that I showed you in the beginning. They started growing really well. I kept on pruning the lateral shoots at the bottom so that, they grow kind of tall, and you can see how well they are doing in the ground. And now it's been about 4 years, and let me show you how they look. It's just amazing, they look pretty much like the original shrub. And I'm so thankful for these plants because they are really easy to propagate, and they really bloom the whole year long. Literally, even in December, even in the dead of winter, they still keep blooming. So I love this shrub. And you can see that, how tall it has grown, how much it is producing flowers. So this is just amazing shrub to have. So if you have access to abuleton cuttings, take those cuttings, plant them in containers. Maybe for a few months you have to take care of them, but then they are on their own. They just need some sun, some water, and that's all. No other maintenance required. So do give it a try. I highly recommend it.